Hello everyone, welcome. On this my channel, I will explain you the Selenium exceptions. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how we can get or how we can solve the Selenium exception, which is the session not created exception. Okay, so when you get this type of exception, you can see in the log like session not created. This version of Chrome driver only support Chrome version of something, or you can also get like a session not created from Chrome not reachable or timed out connecting to Chrome. Okay, so we can solve this type of the exception. I will just show you how we can get this exception and how we can solve this exception. Okay, so I have a program where I'm going to like navigate to two URLs, like one is like Google. Okay, and for that I have created a, Chrome driver instance. Okay, so and for that I have set system property as this the key as a Chrome driver, and I have given the exe path for my Chrome driver. Okay, so I have downloaded this Chrome driver and I have pasted it. Okay, so if you want to do get this small project setup, so you can request me. I will upload one git link for that. Okay, so we'll just get started. So I will just run this program. Okay, so ideally what it will be should doing is going to the Google home page and navigating to the Google, then navigating to the Facebook web page. Okay, but what happened? Our Chrome browser is get launched and it automatically get like closed. So I will again show you what happened. So this script is getting started and it will launch some instance and automatically get started. So why it is like get closed? So we can see some errors or exception coming in our log. So what it's saying like starting Chrome driver, this one, so 81 or something. Okay, so and then we are getting the exception like Selenium session not created exception, session not created, this version of Chrome driver only support 81 81 version of the Chrome. Okay, so this we got. So we got to know that our Chrome driver is 81 version. So what driver we have installed, so browser we have installed, so we can go and find out like what is the version of that our browser. So you can go into the options, help, and about Chrome, Google Chrome. So you can see my version is 84. Okay, so two thing I can do to solve this type of issue. One, to downgrade your Chrome browser. Okay, so generally we don't do this the downgrading, or it is we have recommended to test our code on such some version of the Chrome only, right? So the second thing we need to do is to upgrade our Chrome driver. So to upgrade our Chrome driver, you can go to a link. This one is like Chrome driver update link. Okay, so here you can find your Chrome driver. So I have 84 version of the Chrome browser. So I will go and download this over here. So I'm using Windows machine, so I will be downloading this Chrome driver. Okay, so if you using a Mac or Linux, so you will be downloading this links. So once you have downloaded, what you can do, you can save in particular your Chrome driver path. So what I have did, this one is like my old one, and I have just downloaded it and renamed it to 84 version. So I will get to know that this Chrome driver is of which version. Okay, so what I will do, I will go and in my code I will just change this name as 84. I will just cross check my name is same or not. So underscore 84. Now I will run my code again. Okay, this time we will see what happened with the code. So it gets started with execution, and now you can see over here it is showing 84. Okay, and my Google is also launched, and then Facebook page is also launched. Okay, so our execution got passed. So you got to know like how to solve this version issue. Okay, the second issue will come like suppose now this is executing good, so I will run it again, and suppose what happen if with any issue or Google get crashed, suppose this get launched and I close it intentionally, suppose like in your machine with some error or some exception or any bug or any a virus. So if your Chrome is getting closed when it is launched immediately, so that time also you will also get this type of error. So this time you will get Chrome driver exception unknown error, cannot determine loading status. Okay, so I have closed it when it trying to launch Google, but again I will run it. Okay, this time what happens, suppose immediately when it get launched and it get crashed. Okay, this also happened many times with our code. So what it will be do, it will search for the Chrome driver, our script will search, and then what happen, the it will show through a exception. So exception is same, session not created exception, and session not created. So why it is not created, because Chrome not reachable. So you got to know that our Chrome is got case closed by sometime it will be like manually, or sometime we don't have a permission, proper permission for our automation script to open a browser, so it will get failed. So this issue you can you have to search in your environment why your Chrome is getting crashed when it get launched, or this. So you will be get you can solve this type of issue with your local environment. Okay, so for if you have any queries about your environment, or you're not able to solve why it is getting closed immediately, so you can connect us, so I will also help you in that case. So in your our YouTube video below you can comment, or we also have a site. Okay, so you can visit issuesolver.in, I will provide a link, and over here also I have explained detailed about this issue, and I will just update I will just keep updating this all the text over here. So anything new I found on this exception, I will be updating this. Okay, so you can visit on my this link, and you can comment on our my YouTube channel. Okay, thanks for watching this, please subscribe and have fun. Thank you.